Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for always clicking to watch my videos. Today I'm making an effective smoothie for weight loss. It's going to have some mixed seeds and banana in it. Firstly, I'm going to prep up my banana. So guys, I am now prepping up the banana. That's my banana prepped, guys. So guys, I'm now going to put all my ingredients into my speed blender. First thing goes my banana. And next my mixed seeds. I'm going to add some water. I am now going to cover and blend for 30 to 40 seconds. So guys, I've just finished blending up my smoothie. It has a lovely banana taste. It has a lovely banana smell. It smells absolutely amazing. It is now ready to be served. This smoothie is very beneficial for weight loss and can help get vital nutritious values. And it can also help cleanse the liver and is 150 times stronger than using lemon and water. We are now coming to the end of the video. Kindly like, share, comment, and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.